Hello, my name is Ramin Fatma, and the country assigned to me for our business culture project was Singapore. Singapore is formerly known as the Republic of Singapore. It is a city and island state. The trade blocs that Singapore belongs to include the World Trade Organization, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, also known as ASEAN, and the US-Singapore Free Trade Agreement. The population of Singapore is 5.7 million. The average GDP is 600.06 billion US dollars, and the official currency of Singapore is the Singaporean dollar. The official languages spoken in Singapore are Chinese, Malay, and Tamil, but English is the working language. That means that English is the language in which most business is conducted. Singaporeans are always punctual and usually expect the same from others. It is a sign of disrespect if you do show up to meetings or other gatherings late. If you are running late unexpectedly, it is important to give the person a call to let them know. When making introductions for the first time, it is important to use the person's title and family name followed by their personal name. Business cards should be exchanged upon meetings and should be treated in a respectful manner. They should not be written on. Business cards should be accepted by both hands. They should be inspected. Make eye contact with the person who gave you your business card and carefully place the business card in a card holder or in your pocket. In Singapore, women often hold positions of power. So equality of sexes is a very important concept in Singaporean business and in society in general. Business meetings. Do not schedule business meetings between noon and 2 p.m. as the average time given for lunch or meals is an hour or hour and a half, so it is important to give people sufficient time to complete their meals. When conducting a discussion over a meal, do so over lunch because business breakfasts are rare in Singapore. And during business meetings that are held over meals, it is important that the inviting party picks up the bill. The receiving party can then reciprocate in another manner. Business meetings, they should remain harmonious and non-confrontational. During meetings, respect should be given to the hierarchy. This includes thoughtful pauses prior to answering questions posed by senior managers. In meetings, do not use coded or diplomatic language as it can make the meeting seem inconclusive or confusing. Business dress. Long sleeve shirts and ties are common for men during meetings. Smart business wear is recommended for women. This includes blouses with sleeves and skirts or pantsuits. Jackets may be worn to formal events. Conversation. When doing business in Singapore, it is important to open conversation in a respectful manner. Show interest in the culture of the country. This includes their art, their architecture, or their food. Demonstrate an interest in the person with whom you are conversating. Talk about their ambitions in the company that they are working for. Gift giving. Gift giving is a common way of expressing thanks. Gifts are wrapped, presented, and received with two hands. Gifts with connotations of severance or cutting, like scissors, are not appropriate as they symbolize conflict. Letter openers, however, are an exception and can be gifted in the form of a business gift. For the Chinese, the number 4 rhymes with the word for death, so do not give anything as a gift in the set of 4 as it can be considered bad luck. For Malay associates, avoid products made from pigskin or alcohol as such products contravene the laws of Islam, which is the religion that they mostly follow. When entertaining Malay associates who are Muslims, avoid doing so on Fridays, as it is an important day on which they hold a congregation of prayer, or during the month of Ramadan, which is the Islamic month of fasting. When entertaining Malay associates, it is important not to serve alcohol or pork products. Most Indian associates do not eat beef or other meat, so avoid serving such items when entertaining such associates. public behavior. Singaporeans have established rules that they expect others to follow, so they stick to these rules and avoid making changes to them often. When complimenting a person in Singapore, adjust their accomplishments rather than their appearance. This makes you seem more genuine and it helps create a better reputation with the person or the company that you are meeting with. Basic physical contact is expected. Physical contact between the same gender is considered acceptable and it is a sign of friendship. Always use your right hand when possible. Muslims and Hindus perceive the left hand as unclean, so use your right hand when eating or shaking hands with or near them. That is it. I hope you enjoyed.